Hey everyone, this is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm doing something different and this is kind of like a gift unboxing but not in a box. So basically it's a gift package from YesStyle. I was one of those lucky people that they selected to be a part of their Secret Angel gift swap campaign. So I was really excited to be a part of this because I've always wanted to do a gift swap with fellow YouTubers around the world, or like fellow influencers. So I was really happy that I was actually picked by YesStyle to be a part of this. So I was paired up, or my secret angel for this campaign is Patty's Makeup. If you guys are interested to check her out, I'll put a link down below for her page. So basically her content are all in Spanish, but she has a lot of subscribers and I'm really intimidated, but I'm really happy for the gift set that she picked for me. So thank you, Patty. I'm really happy with what you've selected for me, and I'm really thankful for YesStyle as well for sending this through. So they basically have themes for their gift set, and I actually got the minimal and chic, which is kind of really like me. So I'm really happy with that. So guys, I'll be sharing with you what are the items that I got. First up is the minimal ring. So this is the Jamiel minimal ring. So this is a set of 6, and guys, I'm wearing them. If you look at this, so my fingers are not really that attractive, so I really have fat fingers, and I know and I admit that. So ignore the fingers, just look at the rings. So basically these are the rings. So it's a set of 6, and guys, these are so gorgeous, really gorgeous. Like if you do like a photo and do like that, it's so perfect. I've always wanted this type of rings. I've seen like a lot of Instagrammers, like style Instagram or style page, and they always have this rings in like uneven sizes, and I've always thought like, okay, that might not look good on my fingers, but it looks so gorgeous. So I really love these rings. If you guys are interested with this type of rings as well, you can buy them in YesStyle. So this is the first one. The second one here is alloy snake pendant necklace. So I'm wearing that as well. I don't really have a lot of accessories, that's why I'm wearing I'm wearing all these accessories that was gifted to me, because that's something that I feel like I need to invest more, but I don't really have a lot of accessories, and these ones that was gifted to me is so gorgeous. So this is one of those as well. It's so minimal. Like if you are wearing just a plain white, or just like this, like a plain top, and you just put this accessory, it's just so perfect, so nice. So this is the second one, and I did receive a few, like 2 kind of like beauty products. So this one is the Style Nanda Mood Recipe lipstick, and this is the shade Smoked Rose. And you guys know that I've used this lipstick for quite a while and I loved it, so I'm wearing it right now. So the actual full-on lip of this lipstick is actually very dark, but what I do to actually achieve this color is I kind of just smudge it using my fingers, because I don't really like the strong and intense color of it. But once you smudge it off, it looks actually really nice. If you guys have this shade as well and you don't really like the actual color, just smudge it off a little bit and it will have that natural neutral color. So it's really nice. I love it. So this is the third gift that I got from this gift set from YesStyle. So this is the Mood Recipe matte lipstick, and this is 909 Smoked Rose. The next one that I got here is from Perfume, and this is the Perfume roll-on, like a handy roll-on perfume. I actually wanted to have something like a very handy perfume. My perfumes are always like those chunky big ones, and it's always so hard to carry them when I'm traveling, although I'm not going to travel anytime soon. But something that's really handy in your pouch or in your bag, it's so nice. It reminds me of something, I just can't remember. It is so nice, and guys, it's so handy. It looks so pretty as well, like just very minimalistic type of roll-on bottle. So this is the fourth one that I got. And the next three that I have here is actually kind of like an outfit type. So this one is a hat. I don't know, like we call it like a fisherman's hat. I don't know if you guys know, but this is so cool. It doesn't suit what I'm wearing right now, but guys, I'll share with you like an outfit look where I'm actually wearing all of this next three products in like one outfit. But actually, this is kind of cool. I never knew that this type of hat looks good on me. I always thought that it doesn't suit me very well, but now that I have makeup on, I think it looks so pretty. Like, you know, those like, very Korean type of style where they're wearing oversized sweater, and then they wear this type and they have like nice, very minimalistic makeup. So yeah, I like it. I can actually wear it now that it's summer here in Australia. I think I can carry this. Okay, so this is the, how many is this? I think this is my sixth. Oh no, this is my fifth one. And there is this one that I got as well. So this is the irregular stickers. So this is actually quite handy. It may not look something to others, but it does actually look really pretty. And I am going to use this because I am doing a scrapbook for my newborn, for Sadie. So basically I've been putting together kind of like a scrapbook where I put together all of her photos, and then I write letters for her when I was still pregnant. And I've been actually looking for some very nice stickers that I could use to actually stick on some of the photos, and this is so pretty. And look at how minimalistic this is. I mean, if you are into scrapbooking, I know that, you know, washi tapes and all that, but then sometimes you just want like a nice shape and nice design, and this is actually perfect. I like it, and it's very minimalistic, and the colors as well are so nice. You guys know that I love muted colors, and these are it. This is the irregular stickers. So if you guys are interested with any of the products that I'm showing you here, I'll put a link down below for you guys to check them out, and I do have a code that you guys could use to get an extra discount basically. So this is the sixth one, and the next one here, the seventh gift, is a very nice tote bag. I don't know if you guys could see it in full screen, but it's a very, very minimalistic bag. It's so nice. Look at that. Okay, I can't show it to you guys properly in the screen, but I'll share with you guys like some photos that I will take together with all of this in an outfit, like all the hat, the bag, and the next one that I'll be sharing with you. But this is really nice. I like it. It's very minimalistic and so artistic looking. So I'm not really into bags. Like a lot of people are into like designer bags and those like very nice bags. As much as I want them, usually they're quite heavy. So I'm always the type of person who wants like very light bags so that I can put as much things as I want inside. And now that I'm a mother, that's even way more things that I need to carry. So minimalistic bags such as this are my thing. So I really love this tote bag a lot. I really love it. I think it's going to be perfect for traveling. You can put everything, and the good thing is it's not just like an open tote bag. It has a zipper in it. It's canvas, so you can actually wash it. Definitely love this. So cool. So cool and so pretty. So if you guys are interested with this as well, link down below. But this is such a minimalistic one. Okay, the last one from this gift set is something that I am really happy about as well. So this is a sweater. You guys can't see it now, but like I said, I'll put like some photos or kind of like a short clip of me wearing the hat, the tote bag, and this one kind of like an outfit look. but this is so pretty. Like, I've always wanted to have like those oversized sweater, and then you wear this very nice jeans, kind of like a very Korean style. I've always wanted that, and this is really it, and it's so pretty. The actual fabric is very thick, and I think one of the tricky part with buying with YesStyle, I find that, you know, sometimes it looks good on photos, and you don't really know the fabric. I'm telling you that this sweater is actually really good. Like, it has very thick fabric where it's really perfect for winter, for those cold season. Definitely something that I highly recommend if you guys are into those oversized sweater. So this is the actual design, just a very minimalistic one. I just really love this. So nice and so soft. So those are all the products that I got from this gift swap, and I'm really happy that YesStyle picked me to be a part of this Secret Angel gift swap. And guys, if you are interested again with any of these products that I've mentioned to you, you know, just feel free to go down or scroll down below. You'll find it in the description box for you guys to check them out. I'll put a link down below. And if you guys have any questions at all, just feel free to drop me a comment, and I'll respond to you guys as soon as possible. But guys, I'm really loving these rings so much. Thank you very much for watching, guys. This is a very short, like, YesStyle, kind of like a gift unboxing. So hopefully you guys will stay tuned. I do have something coming up as well. Hopefully I get to film that very soon. Bye.